Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. I am doing very much okay, only that this video is gonna be a sad one because my garden is under attack. You will be seeing me removing this ugly weed that is attacking my beautiful grass. So I'm doing it manually before I call a professional because it's too much. It is on top of my beautiful grass. So if you have anything that can help kill it before I call a professional, you can put it down on the comment section and let me know what I can do. Or have you gone through this before? Because it's my first time to go through this, and I'm hoping it's gonna be all right. And this weed, I've been told it's really dangerous. It can finish off your lawn. So that's why you will be seeing me removing it. I'm kind of sad, you see, and I still have my mangoes growing. Did you see me eating the mango, like, did you watch that video? So if you did, I'm scared my mango tree is gonna be attacked too by this weed, but I'm trying to work on it. So watch the video, and if you can help, just put it on a comment section. Bye.